Hello, this is Sophie Lawson from sophielawson.com, and this is another comic book mystery box unboxing. And what I do on these is I get a comic book mystery box and I unbox it. Yeah. So today little Kitty's helping us, sexy Kitty, because we're going to get into another sexy Zenescope mystery box from comic-box.co.uk. So this is actually my third time of getting these Zenescopes. And what I found is they are beautiful. They're one of my favourite mystery boxes. So let's go and get into this one. So these two here are from the previous, these are my favourite comics from the previous one. This was from the first ever Zenescope mystery box I unboxed. And I'll put a link and everything in the description for these previous unboxings. And this was in the last one. Which again, such a beautiful cover it is. So you get 15 comics and it works out at, it's £15 for 15 comics, no 10 comics for £15, so it's £1.50 a comic, and I'll put a link and everything in the description for this. And well, beautiful, that's what it is. So little Kitty's going to get us into this. And I do believe there might be an extra something in here, because what happened was in one of my previous mystery boxes there was actually a missing comic, so I got a feeling they've sent me a replacement. Oh, look at that, look. They've actually put a complete mystery box in. Oh, that's brilliant. So I got an additional, well, I'll do another video about this, but what's happened here is I was missing a comic from one of my mystery boxes, and they've actually given me a whole new mystery box as a replacement for one issue. That's unbelievable. So, well, I'll put, what I'll do is, in one of the future videos, or maybe in the previous one, I'll talk about that. But how beautiful is that? That is amazing, that is. So the thing I'll say there is, they do look after you. So here we go, look, this is the Zenescope one. Look, Robyn Hood, I can't wait for this. So what I do is, before I get into them, I like to make a little wish list. And my wish list is the same as the previous unboxings I did. I'd love to get a Robyn Hood issue number 1. Well, a one-shot. Any one-shots would be so beautiful in here. I'd like to get some more Grimm Fairy Tales, issue number 1, and any sexy variant covers. What I'll say though is, the thing with Zenescope is, all of the regular covers are sexy as well. You very rarely get unsexy covers, if that's a way to say it. Pop! That was beautiful, that was very satisfying, that was, getting inside of that. So here we go with the comics. You've got to be very careful getting into this, that's what I think. You don't want to rip the comic. It's exciting, this is. It's a bit like Christmas. When you get your present. Actually, little Kitty's going to rip this one open with her little hands. She can get around in there. Her bra's coming off. She's got a bra on, see? She might have to put her head in a minute, I think. Yay! Ooh, yeah. I've already seen one I like. So here we go, look. They've arranged these in such a way that they are... Oh, I've just seen something. Oh, well, Kitty's going to sit down here and behave herself. Issue number 34 of Grimm Fairy Tales. I mean, look how sexy that is. That That is so sexy to me, that is. And we've got a little cat as well, look. How nice is that as well? I love the artwork in this one. So we've already hit one of my thingies with Grimm Fairy Tales. Ooh, issue number 19 of Charmed. That's another nice cover as well. So is she like the sort of spirit of this one or something? Look at him, look. Oh yeah, we've got a story so far, look. There, look, here's the other covers for that one. That's definitely the best one. I like it when they do that though, when you get a little story. So far I like that one. I like both of these actually. Look, that's what I want. I want a Robyn Hood. I love this character. We've got a belly, issue number 4. This is brilliant. I like this character. That's a nice cover as well. Here's the other covers, look, it tells you, yay, part 4 of 6. I'm sure the one at the bottom was a belly, wasn't it? Yeah, part 5. So we've got issue 4 and 5. Well, that's nice. My favourite cover out of those two is probably this one, I think. No, actually this one. I like the way the monsters sort of come in together or something. We've got 2 here with the same. Grimm Tales of Terror, issue number 3. The Black-Eyed Children. Is this another one? Ooh, look at that. That's nice. Grimm Fairy Tales, issue 4. The Princess and the Frog. Look at that cover there. That's quite a fun cover. I like this one actually. I like the look of this. I wonder if this is like a load of little stories or something. Look, from shocking twists on classic literature to brand new takes on modern day urban legends, this terror-filled series reimagines the creepy stories you know and love for a new generation of readers. Look at one of those covers there, look. That would have been a nice one. Yeah, that's my least favourite cover so far, but it's the one I'm actually quite interested to read. I like the sound of that one. Look at the beautiful adverts as well, look. Ooh, yeah. Myths and Legends, that's one of these ones, look. That's a lovely cover. It's a monster, but it's a beautiful monster. Hey, look, we've got a swimsuit one, look. I love that. Issue 10 and issue 11. That's another nice one as well. Yeah, for me, the Grimm Fairy Tales is probably one of my favouriteest series for covers. Oh, we've only got 2 left. This has gone so quickly, this one. Which one should I do first? I'm going to do this one. Grimm Fairy Tales, The Dream Eater Saga. Issue number 12. I don't like this border on it. I don't like it when they put a border on it, because somehow, for me, it sort of ruins the cover. Marvel does that with their big red borders. I like the look of this little character here though. Look, is she about to fall off, do you think? So the last one, what's it going to be? Wonderland, issue number 50. World War Wonderland. Yeah. Very nice looking character here. Look, beasts. Look at that. How mad is that? He's pulling his face off. Huh. The artwork in this is brilliant. I like that. It looks like the Thundercats logo, that does. So, what was my favourite one out of this? I really like that one. Oh, it's going to be quite hard to pick my favourite. What I'll say is none of them like popped out like this one, for instance. But they're all really nice. It might be that one actually. See, these are nice as well. These two. It's probably going to be one of these. I quite like that one. There's something about that one. I like that. I might say this one. Because this one just feels like epic as well. But what I like about this is how clean it is. And again, like I said, I love this. I just hope they keep doing these mystery boxes because I'm going to keep buying them. Because I love it. So I really hope you enjoyed that. And I shall see you later. Well, hang on a minute. We haven't finished yet. Did we get everything we wanted from the wish list? Did we get a Robyn Hood issue? Nope. Did we get any one-shots? I don't think we got any one-shots. Did we get a Grimm Fairy Tales? Yay! We got quite a few. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got 5 Grimm Fairy Tales, I think. I love that we got 2 issues of this Belly character. Did we get any issue number 1s? No, we didn't, I don't think. We got issue number 3. And any sexy variant covers. Where was that one that... I think this one here is a variant cover. Because cover A is this one. Yeah, so that's kind of like a variant cover, I suppose. Yeah. So I hope you enjoyed that. Please let me know in the comments what you think about these. I mean, look at that. How cool is it? It's just brilliant. I love the worlds that they've created with this Grimm Fairy Tales. It's just such a cool world it is. I shall see you later for another one.